Okay, for today's video, I'm doing a slime hammer build. This is a remake since my last one was pretty bad, so this build was remade because of Josh. If it wasn't for him telling me that the build was actually kind of bad, which I understand it was because I rewatched it, it was terrible, and the skill tree was insane. But let's just keep that behind us and get into the build, shall we? It's a little bit more better than the old one, so now it's time to get into the build so I don't hold you guys up. And I could have beat it old far if I didn't make this mistake by accidentally using my heavy, and the last part was not even my fault. I got clipped by his freaking projectiles. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the new build because the brass one was pretty bad in my opinion, and in that guy's opinion too. And if you want me to make any more builds, you can suggest to me in the comments, and see you guys later.